Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm gonna get down with another Prizm box 2017-18 retail box of basketball. I don't know if anybody watched the Christmas in July videos, but I ended up doing one of these and one of the Fat Pack boxes, which cost double what this cost. The Fat Pack box was a complete bust, and out of this retail box I ended up doing pretty well. I ended up with a Lonzo Ball Prizm and oh gosh, who was the other one? Marketing, I think. So yeah, I decided to right then and there. I mean, you know, it's all luck. I mean, well, it's all luck. Maybe, you know, it could have been the other way around. Maybe the Fat Pat box could have been the great one and the retail could have stunk. But it was what it was, and that kind of made me want to just go retail again. Another one of these. It arrived with the corner a little bit banged in, but hopefully the cards are alright. Let's see. I've had a lot of bad luck with stuff arriving kind of beat up lately, which does not make me happy, but I'm sure my mail person probably hates my guts because I get so much stuff. Alright. Yeah, it is right up there on the packs. Dang. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty nasty. Let me get these out and see what they look like. Luckily, these are rather sturdy cards, so yeah, it looks okay in this pack, the first pack anyway. Starting off with a Zach Collins rookie, Troy Williams, a Hernan Gomez get hyped, and a TJ McConnell. Ilyasova, Gallinari, Fundamentals Kyle Lowry, and a Devin Booker. Coach card, Courtney Lee, coach card, and Buddy Hield. God, I hate those coach cards. I just can't help it. I hate them. It's got a red back there. Thon Maker, Kemba Walker, Jameer Nelson red. Not numbered. Vucevic. Well, nothing crazy so far. Lillard, Larry Nance Jr., Onuku, Onaku, I don't know. Either way, it's green. Acapulco. J.R. Smith, Denzel Valentine, Fundamentals, Al Horford, James Johnson, a rookie of Caleb Swanigan, and a Rudy Gobert pink Prizm to 42. James Harden get hyped, and David West. Prince, Kawhi Leonard, Gortat Fundamentals, and Okafor. Moutier, Lou Williams. There's a Prizm of Tyler Lydon. And TJ Warren. Rubio, rookie of Ntilikina. A Markelle Fultz Emergent. And Labissiere. It's a better pack. Alright, this is the last pack of the right side of the box, so we're almost halfway through already. McCollum, Dwight Howard, a green Dwayne Wade, and Jonathan Simmons. Alright, let's see if the other half's better. Because definitely nothing too good yet. Jabari Parker, Carmelo Anthony, a green Brandon Ingram, and Valanciunas. Batum. What is this? Fundamentals. Oh, Prizm. John Wall. Oh, there's a red Jarrett Allen. Not too bad. I kind of like him. Corver. There's Alonzo. Buddy Hield fundamentals, and Ibaka. Levert, a Markkanen rookie. Diallo Prizm, and Harrison Barnes. Favors, a Wayne Selden Jr. rookie, Exum Red, and Rozier. Drummond, Adams, Snell Prizm, and Biombo. Oladipo, a Jonathan Isaac autograph, Prizm autograph. I don't know much about him, but I pull a ton of his cards. Just a sticker auto, not numbered. Gobert fundamentals, and Kyle Lowry. Asic Thomas, Derek White green. These greens are really good looking cards. I don't think their value is high enough for how good they look. Of course, that could always change. Things can change in an instant. Greg Monroe, Michael Carter Williams, Dennis Smith Jr. emergent, and a Jordan Bell rookie. Kilpatrick, Mirotic, I don't know how to say that, Mike Conley, and Norman Powell. Just a couple of packs to go. Yeah, it's definitely not been nearly as good as the other box, but that's the breaks. Joe Johnson, Chandler Parsons, Josh Jackson emergent, and Baria. Avery Bradley, Paul George, are you freaking kidding me? And a rookie of Okaro White. Our last pack is Corey Joseph, Andrew Wiggins fundamentals, and Fournier. Yeah, definitely not as good as the other box. Only one, was it only one silver? I think just one silver rookie, and then I'll go back through them real quick. I did like this green. This is not bad. Selden, Markkanen, did get Alonzo, but just a plain. This Jarrett Allen red looks good. Fultz, Ntilikina, yeah, just one silver rookie, that's it. And it was Tyler Lydon. Swanigan and Zach Collins. Wah, wah. Well, I don't know where to go from here. I don't know, maybe try another fast break box, another one of these. I thought about a case of blasters of this, but I don't know. The price on that's a little, I don't know. There's so much more stuff about to hit the market, so I might just take a break from this for a little bit. Who knows? I make decisions the way the wind blows. So thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. I don't know when I'll get this posted. I've got so many videos built up that I need to post. But go ahead and subscribe, because I'm going to be doing giveaways at 100, 200, 300 subscribers and so on. So if you want to be included in that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, hit it just because you like watching cards being open. Everybody take care. Bye bye.